Good morning, dear students, and welcome to E-class of St. Xavier School, Adipur. So, students, today we have our last letter of our syllabus. That is, we have to write application to the principal for issuing you bona fide certificate for passport purpose. So, student, this is a type of formal letter. We have seen the format of formal letter. First thing you have to write is sender's address. You will write sender's address. That means you are sending the letter. So, write your address. Then you have to write that date. After writing that date, you have to write respected father principal. Then the subject. In subject, you will write down applying for bona fide certificate and then the content, and then lastly ending with the letter thanking you, yours faithfully, your name and your class. So we will start with this letter. Let's start with the last letter, that is the third letter of our syllabus. Write an application to the principal for issuing you bona fide certificate for passport purpose. So first we will start with the sender's address. So write down the address. I am reading for you. You have to write on your own address. Plot number 84, Ward 3B, Adipur, Kutch. And then leave one line space. After writing your address, leave one line space and write down the date. After writing date, leave one more line space and then write respected father principal, put comma and then write the subject. Subject is applying for bona fide certificate. So let's start with the content. Myself, Riya Sharma of class 4th A is writing this application for issuing me the bona fide certificate. I need this document to submit it in the passport office as my proof. I'll repeat myself. You will start the letter with introducing yourself, your class, which class you belong to, and why you are writing this letter. So, myself, Riya Sharma of class 4th A is writing this application for issuing me the bona fide certificate. I need this document to submit it in the passport office as my proof. I am responsible and sincere student of your school. So I request you to kindly issue me the bona fide certificate as early as possible. Waiting for early and positive response, I shall be highly obliged to you for granting me this favor. So after writing this, after writing the content, you will end the letter with thanking you, yours faithfully, your name and your class and division which you belong. I repeat once more, after writing the content, end the letter. On left hand side you will write thanking you, yours faithfully, your name, your complete name and your class and division. If you belong to 4th A, you will write 4th A. If you belong to 4th B, then write 4th B. Your name, your class and your division. So this way you have to write your letter to principal for issuing you the bona fide certificate for passport purpose. So read properly, go through the video and then write this letter in your writing section notebook. This is the third diary of our semester and the topic is write a diary about the first day of your visit to hill station. So first of all, let's recall the format of diary. What is the format of diary? You always start with a proper format from left hand side. First thing you write down is the place, date, then day and the time. I repeat once more students, the first thing you write down is the place, date on which you are writing diary, day and the time on which you are writing the diary. So we will start with this and then you will start with dear diary and then the content and then your name. Students, I have seen many of papers you all forget to write your name. So the format is after writing the content, end with from right on the left hand side your name. Many of you have wrote your name on the right hand side. That's wrong. You have to write it on the left hand side. So please do care while writing the diary. Okay, so let's start with the topic. Write a diary about the first day of your visit to hill station. So starting is place, that is Adipur. Date, write the date on which you are writing, 31st March 2021 or whatever the date is. Then write Wednesday, the day on which you are writing the letter. Write down the time 9:30 at morning. Yes, the time on which you are writing the diary. And then leave one line space and write dear diary, put a comma and then start. Okay, so we are writing a diary about the first day of visit to hill station. So let's see. I am pleased today because I have reached Shimla to spend my holiday. It is totally a different experience. After reaching here, we were amazed to see the fresh snowfall. Having such a wonderful experience on the first day is marvelous. We went to see beautiful mountain ranges and were thrilled at nature's beauty. So you are writing your experience about first day, okay? You have to write the diary about your first day experience to Shimla. So you will write down that I am very pleased today as I have reached Shimla to spend my holiday. And you will write down about your experience. You were amazed. मतलब आप चौंक गए थे to see fresh snowfall, to see the snowfall. It was a wonderful experience and the first day was marvelous. We went to see beautiful mountain ranges and were thrilled. Thrilled means shock ho jana at nature's beauty. And the second paragraph is what you did, what activities you did, what you ate. So you will write down that. We ate hot sizzling food and enjoyed drinking too. We went to see a lush green landscape and enjoyed a lot. The scenic landscapes, fluttering birds and butterflies, beautiful mountains, accelerating snowfall were all enough to lift our spirit. Yes, all of looking at all these we were amazed and our spirits means हम अंदर से बहुत ही खुश हो गए थे. Thus on the very first day we enjoyed and still looking forward for the rest of the trip to be an excited one. So I'll repeat once more. We ate hot sizzling food and enjoyed drinking too. We went to see lush green landscape and enjoyed a lot. What is landscape means? We went there, the mountain regions where there is flowers and most of greenery, that is landscape. Scenic landscape, fluttering birds, butterfly, beautiful mountains, snowfall, they were all enough to lift our seat. Thus, on the very first day, we enjoyed ourselves and still looking forward for the rest of the trip. So, now you will end with this by writing your name. So, students, I hope you are clear with the third diary and the last diary of this semester. So read it properly, understand it properly and then write it in your writing section notebook. Thank you and have a nice day.